Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, auto enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best shocks for Suburban 1500. Get ready to elevate your driving experience to new heights with these incredible finds. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. TRQ's Rear Shock Absorber Pair Set, engineered for superior performance and durability. Crafted with precision, these shock absorbers ensure a smooth and stable ride, whether you're cruising on city streets or tackling rugged terrain. With their high-quality construction and advanced technology, TRQ guarantees reliability and safety for your vehicle. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to enhanced driving comfort with TRQ Rear Shock Absorber Pair Set. Upgrade your suspension system today for an unparalleled driving experience. Number 2. Nifeida 2 PCS Rear Air Suspension Shocks Absorber Struts. Designed for compatibility and durability, these shocks ensure a smooth ride and excellent handling. Crafted with precision, they offer reliable support, especially on rough terrain or heavy loads. The air suspension feature allows for customizable comfort, tailoring your driving experience to your preference. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to smoother travels with Nifeida. Experience enhanced stability and performance on the road. Upgrade your vehicle's suspension with Nifeida today. Number 3. APZL Front Struts Complete Assembly Shock Absorber, the ultimate solution for smooth rides and precise handling. Crafted with precision engineering, these struts offer unparalleled durability and performance. Featuring complete assembly, installation is a breeze, saving you time and hassle. With advanced shock absorption technology, bumps and vibrations are minimized, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. Upgrade your vehicle with APZL front struts for unmatched reliability and superior ride quality. Experience the difference on the road today. Number 4. LUFT MEISTER 2 PCS Front Strut Shock Absorber, engineered for superior performance and durability. These struts boast precision engineering, providing unparalleled stability and comfort on the road. With advanced shock absorption technology, they minimize vibrations and ensure a smooth ride even on rough terrain. The corrosion-resistant coating ensures longevity, while the easy installation process saves you time and hassle. Upgrade your vehicle's suspension system with LUFT MEISTER front struts for enhanced driving experience and peace of mind. Number 5. AutoSaver 88 Front Complete Quick Struts Compatible. Dive into smooth rides with these struts engineered for precision performance. Crafted with high-quality materials, these quick struts are compatible with a range of vehicles, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. Experience enhanced stability and control on the road thanks to their advanced design, delivering optimal handling in various driving conditions. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to comfort and reliability. Upgrade your driving experience with AutoSaver 88 Front Complete Quick Struts Compatible. In conclusion, selecting the best shocks for your Suburban 1500 is crucial for a smooth and safe ride. Whether it's enhanced performance or improved comfort, the right choice can make a world of difference. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Don't forget to share for more informative updates. Happy driving!